Hello, Ethel here. So today we are going to make a main menu. To do the main menu, we're gonna have to make another scene. Over here we can see the scenes folder. We have sample scene, which is the game scene. We can change that name to game. Right click in the folder and create scene. I'm gonna name it main menu. Alright, now we can create a canvas over here. Change this camera. Is this the same as the canvas we made in the game scene? Then over here, I'm gonna create an empty game object and call it main menu. Make it big. And now, I'm gonna give it a background just so it looks prettier. UI.image. I'm gonna give it sky. And then of course the scenery. Pop. Okay, here you see that it is stretched, right? Easy fix for that is to check this preserve aspect. Click that. Now the preserve aspect check here will only appear if the source image is filled with something. So if I make it none, it will disappear, the option. Alright, let's make it a bit bigger and put it down here. Oops, there you go. I also want to have the sun, so just like that. Pop and put it here. Make it smaller, something like that. Alright, we have the background looking good. Now I want to give it a title. I'm gonna call it the Flappy Little Dragon. Alright, make it best fit, give it 120 size, make it white, make it centered, make it big, and put it over here. Give it make it bold actually, and give it a shade. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna. Alright, sorry about that. Shadow. There you go. And make it like so. Alright, next up we're gonna tap to start. So this is gonna be like the tap to start thing, you know. Make it big and give it a full screen button, just like the jump button for the dragon. Color gonna be transparent, but now we're gonna keep the text. Make it 40. Yeah, 40 is good. Make it black and then tap to start. Nice. Next up, of course, we're gonna have the buttons. So menus. I'm not sure if that's the plural for it, but oh well. Okay, I'm gonna make a button over here and call it play button. The text gonna say play, and then best fit. The next one is gonna be the other button, gonna be quit button, and it will say quit. There you go. Maybe they should be a bit slimmer. Nice. Put them a bit down here. Alright. Now we don't want the menu to appear from the start, so we're gonna turn that off and put it behind the tab to start, right? Don't forget to save. I still want to give it a BGM. Audio source. Select the BGM clip. Select the loop over here. And some sound effect. We also gonna be using the play one shot. So over here, in the tab button, we're gonna click this. So when we click the tab, when we tap to start, it will simply make the menu's game object turn on. So just drag this over here, select the function game object, set active, and make it true. Alright? And then we're gonna play the sound effect. Audio source, play one shot, and select the clack. And finally, we want to get rid of the tap to start object. So drag the tap to start object and make it not active. Pop. There you go. Don't forget to save. Now in the menu, we have two buttons, right? For now, we're just gonna play some audio when they're pressed. So select both of them to make it faster, and just click over here, put the main menu over here, and audio source, play one shot, select collect. Now we save. Alright, with that, if we play the game, hold on, let me turn this off first. There you go. The nightmare-inducing BGM. Tap to start. For now, they're not gonna be doing anything since we haven't give them any script. But in the next tutorial, we're gonna have them we're gonna make the play and quit button actually works and give the game a simple loading screen. And so that's it for the tutorial then. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.